This is cooking rice in the microwave. I got rice in there and I got lots of water because I don't want to add water. The level of water doesn't make any difference because when it's cooked, I'll just drain it off. Now I cooked the rice for about 10 minutes and I'm going to drain it with my fryer screen. Hold the screen there. Okay, and that's it. Now I'm going to put it in the frying pan for about 10-15 minutes with green pepper and garlic, and get it ready for my half of pot pie, frozen pot pie. There it is, the finishing of the rice. I've got a pot pie, half a pot pie buried underneath, tomato, spinach, onion, green beans, green pepper, so it should be very tasty.